The Snoring Volcano and the Village Below. Once upon a time, there was a small village nestled in the shadow of a great volcano. But this wasn't an ordinary volcano. It didn't spew lava or smoke. Instead, it snored. Every night, the volcano made loud, rumbling snores that shook the villagers' homes and kept them awake. The villagers tried everything: earplugs, lullabies, even building walls to block the noise, but nothing worked. One day, a curious little boy named Omar decided to solve the mystery. Armed with a lantern and a brave heart, he climbed to the top of the volcano. When Omar peered inside, he was amazed to find a giant sleepy dragon curled up inside. The dragon woke up, yawned, and said, "I snore because I'm lonely. No one visits me up here." Omar had an idea. He invited the dragon to come down to the village and meet everyone. The dragon was nervous but agreed. When the villagers saw how friendly the dragon was, they welcomed him warmly. From that day on, the dragon became the village's protector. And because he was so happy, he stopped snoring at night. The villagers slept peacefully, and the dragon finally had friends. Moral: sometimes what seems scary just needs understanding and kindness.